Looking for a super quick dessert idea to take on the run? Here you go. One of the easiest dessert recipes that can impress everyone is a no-bake Oreo cheesecake. All you need are Oreo cookies, crush Oreos and set aside. Use 2 Oreos per piece needed. Second ingredient needed is cream cheese. Use 1/4 of a cube for 2 servings. Then you need 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar per serving. Whipped cream is the last ingredient. That's right, only 4 ingredients needed. Crush the Oreos, mix them with softened cream cheese and powdered sugar, then fold in whipped cream, throw into refrigerator until set. Don't have time to let it set? No problem. Use cream cheese from refrigerator and use frozen whipped cream. Perfect for an on-the-go amazing dessert. You can shape your dessert however you desire. Anyway, you choose to make this tasty dessert, you can guarantee it will be fantastic. Enjoy the delicious and impressive treat. Make it your way.